Here we have this 2017 67 plate Mercedes-Benz E220D AMG line. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 20-inch alloy wheels in superb unmarked condition. We have the LED headlights, the black Panamerica style front grille with the chrome front badge. Blacked out night pack styling, so you get the black front splitter with the black privacy glass on the rear of the black window trim. Front and rear parking sensors with also a rear reversing camera. You get your dual exit exhaust flush with a rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now if you take a look at the interior of this vehicle, now you do have the half leather and half suede throughout the ISOFIX points, pull down armrest, storage behind the driver and passenger seats, black ashwood trim on the doors with the ambient lighting underneath and the integrated speakers. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's half leather and half suede. Now both front seats are also heated and electric. Multifunction stable touchpads on either side. One on the right hand side controls the screen just in the dashboard, and one on the left hand side controls the big screen just in the centre. There's a quick look at the interior of this vehicle. Very, very comfortable car to drive, and there's also free from any more lights on the dashboard. Gloss black trim in the centre, as you can see just there. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does, we'll do a full walk around video going through all the specifications that this vehicle comes with. Now it is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI cleared, a fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.